Hey gang, it's Leda Lum's Apothecary Health and Beauty Hacks, and today we're going to make an oil cleanser with Poly Sugamulse D9, which you can get at Formula Sample Shop. It's a great, natural, eco-cert, peg-free, dioxane-free solubilizer you've got to know about. Let's do it. Oh, and if you like this type of video, please click the like below. You can click the subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when we do our lives on Tuesday, 4 p.m. Pacific time, and our videos whenever we upload videos on Thursdays, guys. Hope you liked the video last week on micellar water, and now we're going to do awesome oil cleansing. I still oil cleanse to remove makeup. And then I do like my gel mask, or, you know, I'll just do the oil cleanser. It's great at oil cleansing. But Poly Sugamulse D9 is a great solubilizer, as we may have experienced before. And I really like my oil cleanser to, when I rinse it off with the water, it dissolves, right? So you get the oil in there, it's all oily, and it gets into your pores and removes all the eye makeup, and then you rinse it clean so it gets milky because it's emulsifying with the water. That's the kind of oil cleansing I like to do. And then you feel actually clean rather than oily still, oil residues of the makeup and all that stuff. So I like putting solubilizers in the oil. I've been digging a MedowFoam oil. It's easy to farm, it's bio-friendly, and I have a lot of it. That's why. And we're gonna put 5% of the Poly Sugamulse D9. This is just dope. And we'll also, you can put a few essential oil droplets in there and it will mix up nicely, guys. Let's do it. Okay? Here we are. This is all the ingredients we're gonna use. MedowFoam and Poly Sugamulse. I mean, you could put essential oils if you wanted or something like that, but you certainly don't have to. So easy. Let's do it. All we're going to do, I have Poly Sugamulse there. Whoops. 50 milliliters, or almost 50 milliliters, and then just 2.5 milliliters, because that's 5% of 50 milliliters. Very thick. That 2 in there. You can kind of see it at the bottom a little bit, and then we got 0.5 left. Squirt it in there, and then I'm just going to mix it up with my pipette here. It gets a little creamier, kind of cloudier. The end. That is all you need to do. Cloudy. You don't even need a stirrer. And then I'm just going to pour it into my bottle. The end. Ta-da! Watch how it emulsifies, guys. Let's check it out. See? Oily, getting into your pores, and then it rinses off. Creamy. See how milky gets milky? Rinsing clean. So there you go, gang. A simple way, very quick and easy to make your own oil cleansing method. And I love the Poly Sugamulse. It's fabulous, and this is a really nice skin feel. Like my hand feels clean and moisturized. It doesn't feel oily and like residue on it, because I can't handle that. Yeah. So if you like that video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. You can hit the bell to get notified when we do our Tuesday, 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time live videos and our uploads on Thursdays. Hope you're having a fabulous time. I definitely recommend Poly Sugamulse D9, and again, you can get your 10% off if you do Leda 10 in the discount at Formula Sample Shop. That's where you can get a smaller amount. Yeah. Okay. Bye. And Leda. Just want to oil and water and oil solubilizer. My favorite solubilizer, so that just, it's leda lum apothecary, leda, it's in the link below. Leda lum, let's see what it is. Formula Sample Shop has it. Okay. At Poly, if I'm just want to remove makeup, I'll just do that. And we're, I mean, it's ecological because it's easy to farm, basically. It's not